Hi and welcome to Learn Everything Online Hobby channel. Many of my friends suggested that I should be making these videos in English rather than Marathi because they wanted to send it to many friends who understand English rather than Marathi. So I have decided that I will be making these videos in English rather than Marathi. After all, craft is something that doesn't require any language. It is to understand how you make it. But anyhow, I will try to put my instructions in English rather than Marathi today. So what I am going to teach you today? Today we are going to learn how to make ninja star. So this is the ninja star. Don't believe that this is a star? I will show you. This is the star. Just watch. Can you see? Now this is a star. So it is a transformable ninja star. A very interesting concept. With small piece of papers, you can make this wonderful thing called as transformable ninja star. It gets transformed and you again can expand it to make it into a ring. So this is very interesting item which I found that can interest you also. So let's see how to make it. Okay friends, to start with, we will require these 4 sheets which are craft sheets normally available in market. This particular one is of size of 21 centimeter by 30 centimeter. See, these are normal sheets which are available in market. We will be making use of 4 such sheets, out of which 2 are of one color and 2 are of contrasting color. Please make use of contrasting color so that our ninja star will look nice. But we will not be using these sheets entirely. What we will be using is, we will be making it into small squares. First we will make the square of this particular sheet, and we will not be using major portion of this square. We will be using the remaining portion of this square to convert it into 2 small squares. So likewise, from every paper we will get 2 small squares each, and we will have 4 small square of one color and 4 small square of other colors. So let's start. First I will keep it aside. So I am making square for this particular paper as per our normal fold practice to make perfect square. I will fold it on opposite side so that I will get the edge through which I need to cut. So let's cut at this edge. I am using scale and cutter. You can use scissor to cut this out. So this portion is clear and this is perfect square, but we will not be using this perfect square. We will use this particular piece of paper for something else later on in some other videos. So right now what I intend to use is this paper, and I want to square from this particular portion. So let's make square of this one. So I will make fold here, and I will fold it to opposite side. Again I will take a cut. So this is one perfect square, another one, so this is another one. So we have created, from one sheet of paper we have created 2 small squares. If you measure these squares, these are approximately of 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter. So we have created 2 squares, 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter, approximately 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So let's make few more squares from our all sheets so that we will have 4 squares of each color. So I'm done with these 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4 of one color and 1, 2, 3, 4 of other color. Now let's see how parts are to be made for our item. So I'm keeping these other pieces aside. We already had fold on this side. While making square, we have created this fold. Now we have to make fold on another side also. So let's make that fold by putting this side on opposite side. Make a perfect good fold for opposite side. So we have fold on this side as well as this side. Now we need to match the sides of our square this way. So match the sides of the square and press hard. Right? Now, along with this side, we have to fold this particular corner and match this side with this our fold what we have made. Same way for opposite side also we need to fold this way. So fold it this way. And make perfect nice fold. Right? Now just turn this side. Now you have to fold these two folds inside this way. Absolutely perfect. Got it? Now just lift this in your hand. Just give some gap in between this. And just remember we already have fold here. So this particular portion we have to push inside this way. Push inside so that this particular edge will come out and this particular edge will go inside. So you will get a shape like this. Okay, so we are having a shape where this portion is having two wings like structure and this shape is having a structure of edge like. So this is edge and here are two wings. So this is a kind of piece what we will require to make our ninja wheel or make our ninja star. So this one piece, likewise for each and every small square which we have created of two different colors, we will make 8 such pieces, 4 of this color and 4 of other color. So I have created all these 8 parts now, 4 of this color and 4 of this color. Now it's time for assembly of these parts so that our ninja star will be ready. Now let's pick up this particular part and opposite color. Now just remember how to assemble these parts. We are having these two wings and gap here, and we are having pointer of this particular part here. Likewise, we are having two wings of this part and pointer. Now this pointer we have to place in between these two wings like this, and just ensure that it is perfectly touching to this edge. This edge is touching to this edge and this pointer is exactly at the tip, so that this particular edge will match with the edge of this particular part. Right? Now just remember, we have to fold this part and fix it inside here. So we have to make one fold of this particular part like this, so that it goes inside wings of this dark part. Same way for this side also we will make fold like this. Right? Just ensure this fold is very firm and tight. This fold should be very firm and tight. and just press hard so that this assembly gets perfectly secured. So this is one combination of this color and this color. Now for next part, again we have to put the tip portion here, align it with this and place the part. So let's take this particular part. So we will be putting this tip in between these holes also, aligning it with this edge vertically straight with inside edge, and folding these portions again inside. And this portion also inside. So fold these two portions firm and tight so that they will not come out, and press a bit hard. So next part will be this dark part. Again this tip we have to put it inside, align this edge with this edge, and to complete our assembly just fold these two parts, one from this side, another from this side. Make these fold firm and tight so that they will not come out, and then press hard. So for remaining portion I will take it a bit fast so that you can complete in same way. So we are now come to our last part. So let's assemble our last part also in the same way. Now here be careful, you need to put it properly inside this portion. So a little bit skill here. So put it this way. Now ensure that whenever you are folding this particular portion, it goes in between these portions. So this fold is a bit tricky, and it may come out if you are not doing it well. So just press it hard, and it should fall in between this particular part's edge. It should not go beyond that edge. It should be only to this light color part. Same way for opposite side. So just remember to pull this particular part away, and it should only grip it to. So I will just turn it around to see it better. So it should only grip it to this portion. That way. So making it complete circle. Okay, here we go. So this is our ninja star or ninja circle. Now let's see the magic, whether our assembly is perfect or not. If it's perfect, it should move. Just make it firm and just try to push it
and here it go. You can see how it gets converted into star. And that's it. So this is your ninja star, and you can expand it so that it becomes your ninja circle.
Hey, have you liked it? If you like it, please click on like button and send your comments. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and also share it to your friends. See you in our next video. Bye.